Assalamualaikum everyone, this is artist Rabia from Pakistan. Today I wanna show you how to do paper cutout effect in Photoshop. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the image. Hide first layer for now and here make a new layer. Make the layer down and here pick brush and choose one of these brushes.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So guys, the link to these brushes is in description. Download the link and unhide the top layer. Now right click and create clipping mask. Go to the image adjustments, desaturate. Create a new layer on the top. Right click and create clipping mask. And paint on the top and bottom like this.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
From here pick any of the shadow and drop the shadow.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the
You can make the distance.
turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Hit OK.
we'll go.
Okay, you can see the effect here. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.